Do you know that 1 in 8 kids in our classrooms are experiencing or victim or witness to trauma? 1 in 8. There's over 71% of the kids in the United States are living or witness to or part of some sort of situation that's being defined as trauma or abuse. That's huge. So when we think about these kids on the playground especially, the playground is a place that actually excites that hyper-focus. These are kids that they have, children of abuse and trauma will often target smaller kids. They'll target more vulnerable kids because they are hypersensitive to danger. They're hypersensitive to things they can't figure out. They also don't have good perception. So they might see a kid's face like, get away from me, but to them, they don't read it the same. There's so much research now that we've got to be aware of, especially when we're putting kids out into unstructured areas to use skills they don't have. What are they reading? What's going on in that brain? So for kids who are victims of abuse or trauma, they don't understand the feeling of guilt as we may expect them to. So you can't say, don't you feel bad about the way you treated your friend? Because they don't. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.